Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa Snider-Adler, and I am the Chief Medical Review Officer at DriverCheck. I'm really excited this year to be part of the Fitness for Duty Summit once again for a number of reasons. First, I very much look forward to seeing all the faces and the people and our clients. I'm also looking forward to meeting new clients and new people and having an opportunity to engage and speak with everybody. For my presentation, we will be reviewing what has happened the last year with cannabis. So although there hasn't been this huge explosion with everybody using cannabis every day at work, there have certainly been implications and new things that we're learning as we go on. So I'm going to share some of the stats, go over all of the details, and most importantly, talk about what is to come and how we're going to deal with that. We're going to dive a little bit deeper into medical cannabis because that is definitely an area that companies and employers are still struggling with. So we're going to give you some really great tips on how to deal with that. You should definitely not miss the Fitness for Duty Summit this year. We have some fantastic speakers who are very engaging. You are certainly going to walk away with knowledge and new tips that you can take back to work.